Hi everyone, this is Mitch from NZCS, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to encrypt a document. So on my screen here you can see I have a very important document that I want to encrypt. Therefore, nobody else can access it unless they provide the correct password. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my mouse and head to File in the top left corner. And then from there I'm going to click on the Info button. From here, Protect Document, and then Encrypt with a password. I'm going to pick a password that has at least 12 characters, an uppercase letter, a number, and a symbol at minimum. And then I have to double check and confirm it. If you forget this password, you won't be able to access the document, so make sure you can remember it. Okay, as you can see by that yellow highlighted area there, the document is now protected and a password is required to open or view it. So if I now close over this document, and try and get back into it, you will see that I'm going to be prompted for a password, of which I'll have to enter. So if I enter in the wrong password, for example, and just type a random word, it won't let me in. So I'll head back to File Explorer and try and open it again. Enter in the correct password, and there you have it, easy as that.